Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're currently in Olympic Gardens. We're now looking at the almost finished Olympic Gardens police station. And we're now on Olympic Way. So stay tuned, enjoy the drive. Soon get back to you. Guys, so we're doing a drive from Olympic Gardens. We're on Olympic Way, so we're driving to Seaward Drive and then onto Mullines Road and onto the Boulevard. So I've never driven, I never carried you guys along this side before, so that's what we're doing today. So we just passed the almost finished Olympic Gardens police station, very big police station. And now we're on the drive. So you guys stay tuned. And of course, you know the drill by now. If you're new to the channel, if that subscribe button is still red, click on it, turn it gray, and be a part of the Raymore Reviews family. Remember to like the video, comment on the video, and share the video as well. You know, all that will definitely help the channel to grow. Remember, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and your help will play a vital part in that. So stay tuned, guys, and enjoy the drive. Guys, so we're now on Seaward Drive, and we'll be passing Tankwell shortly. Swing over here just a little bit with you guys. So what I'll be showing is Tankwell Steel and Lumber Warehouse. That's right behind me. So let me turn around. So that's them over there. Very big location. This is Tankwell Metals, I would say supermarket or depot. You know, lumber and steel right here on Seaward Drive. Know a lot of person is familiar with this location. Alright guys, and just leave in the comments. Alright guys, so if you have ever been to this Tanquil, just leave it in the comment section. Let us know. Alright, so we're approaching the stoplight for Seaward Drive and Malines Road. So that's where we are, guys, just showing you around the place. So we're heading onto the boulevard now. So as usual, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining another driving video. Remember to leave your comments. Remember to share and also to like the video as well. So see you on another video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Really appreciate it.